Hi guys, are you aware that you need to sign in to your Microsoft account during the initial installation of Windows 11? You cannot skip this step, and there is no option for signing in later. No matter what option you choose, Microsoft will force you to log into your account to proceed with the installation. It's fine if you are installing Windows 11 on your main system, but it is really frustrating when you are installing Windows 11 on virtual machines or for testing purposes. As many times as you are installing Windows 11 on these virtual machines, you need to log into your Microsoft account. But we can skip this step. Let's see how. So I will be installing Windows 11 as a virtual machine in Hyper-V. This method works for any other installation medium, even if you are installing on bare metal. So I have created a virtual machine and attached the official Windows 11 installation ISO file, and we'll proceed with the installation. Like a normal installation, we will select our language and click on Next. I will click on Install now. As this is just a VM, I will not enter the product key. For this step, I will be selecting Windows 11 Pro. All the steps are normal installation steps. We don't need to do anything special here. Here, I will accept the license and proceed. For the installation type, I will choose Custom Installation, and I will let Windows decide how to make the partitions. We will have to wait for all these steps to be completed. After all these steps are complete, the system will reboot. During the installation process, the system might reboot multiple times, and that is expected. Once you see this Windows logo, this is where we need to perform our task. Windows will ask us to provide the right country or region. Instead of selecting the option, press Shift plus F10. A command prompt window will come up. Here, we need to write this exact command in the same format and press Enter. As soon as we press the Enter key, the system will reboot again. After the reboot, the same page will again appear. From here, we can continue with normal installation. Select your country or region. Choose your keyboard layout. You can enter your device name, or you can skip this step. For my scenario, I think providing the name here will be a better option. Personal use. Now we have to click on Sign In. This is the step for which we provided that command. What that command exactly does is, even if we turn off the internet connection, it will allow us to proceed with the installation, or else it will force you to reconnect to the internet. If not, then it will not proceed with the installation. So for Hyper-V, I will just go to the settings and disconnect the internet for now. If you're directly installing on your device, you can just disconnect the LAN connection or turn off the Wi-Fi. Now, if we click on Create Account, it will directly ask us to create a local account for the Windows 11 installation. We can proceed with providing the account name, followed by the password. Then, like local account requirements, we need to provide security questions provided by the answers. Now the privacy settings. We can turn everything off. At least I think it's a better option. If you want, you can keep it on. So once we have the Windows 11 desktop, we can turn the internet back on. And we can continue to use Windows 11 without signing in to our Microsoft account. So I have logged into my Windows 11 virtual machine. I will turn the internet back on. And here we have it. The Windows 11 with local accounts set up. This light theme really hurts my eyes. I will quickly change it to dark theme mode. Here, Windows 11 is ready to use. If it's helpful for you, don't forget to let us know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.